counting forward. In the previous lesson, we learned the fun of addition. Now, let's learn how to add by counting forward. Addition by counting forward means count the numbers of given numbers after big numbers to the second number and answer. How do we counting the addition? To learn this, we can see the conversation between teacher and students. Teacher: Selma, take these 2 seedlings and plant them in your garden. Selma: Sure, sir. I already have 5 in my garden. Teacher: Wow, nice. Children, tell me, 5 plants already in Selma's garden, and after plant 2 more, then how many plants will be there in the Selma's garden altogether? Rama counted. Yes. 5 plants plus 2 plants means 6 and 7. Sir, there will be total 7 plants. Rama: 2 plants plus 5 fingers means 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Teacher: Correct. Right. Both got the same sum and both are right. But whose addition was quicker? Rama: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Sir, I counted sticks from 1 to 12. Teacher: Rama, you get 12. If you count 10, 11, 12 forward from 9. Here, knowing that we have 9 sticks, we counted serially only the extra sticks we get. Yes, even. If we get 3 sticks and get 9 new sticks and we count forward from 3, we get the same answer 12. However, it is easier to count 3 forward from a than to counting a forward from 31 and get answer quickly. Teacher: Right. It means while addition counting forward, a large number has been got calculating the sum. If the smallest number counted, the answer gets quickly. Friends, now you get the conversation. Now let's add counting forward. 25 plus 3 equal to how many? Count 3 numbers after 25 for addition. Counting forward means 26, 27, 28. So, 25 plus 3 equals 28. 5 plus 38 equal to how many? Now, here, count after big number 38, such as small number 5, which means 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. 5 plus 38 equals 43. 5 plus 19 equals how many? 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. 5 plus 19 equals 24. 4 plus 23 equal to how many? 24, 25, 26 and 27. 23 plus 4 equals 27. Lesson